Hi there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Juicy Bonjour, your go-to channel for all things healthy and delicious. Today, I'm going to share a delicious green juice recipe that can help you lower your blood pressure. This juice is not only nutritious, but also incredibly refreshing, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Not only is this juice packed with nutrients, but it's also super tasty. So, let's get started. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make this heart-healthy drink at home. First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. It's also loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. This leafy green is also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a fantastic way to get a nutrient boost with minimal calories. So throw in a generous handful of fresh spinach leaves. Next, we add cucumbers. These are not only hydrating, but also add a nice mild flavor to the juice. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and have a high water content, which helps keep your blood pressure in check. They're also great for your skin and overall hydration. They're also loaded with potassium, which balances the sodium levels in your body. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Chop up a whole cucumber and add it to the mix. The next ingredient is celery, another fantastic vegetable for heart health. Now, let's talk about celery. This crunchy vegetable is often overlooked, but it has some amazing health benefits. Celery contains phthalides, which are compounds that can help relax artery walls and increase blood flow. This makes it a great addition to our juice, plus it's another great source of potassium. Potassium is essential for heart health and helps to counteract the effects of sodium in your diet. Slice up 2 celery stalks and pop them in. Now let's add a touch of sweetness with a green apple. We can't forget about the green apple. This fruit not only adds a delicious sweetness, but also brings a host of health benefits. Green apples add a touch of sweetness and are high in antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. The fiber in apples also aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Core and chop 1 green apple and toss it in. For a zesty kick, we'll add some lemon juice. Lemons are a fantastic way to brighten up the flavor of our juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and can help detoxify your body. They also have antibacterial and antiviral properties. They also add a refreshing flavor to our juice. The acidity of the lemon balances the sweetness of the apple perfectly. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the blender. Finally, we'll add a small piece of ginger. This root is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can help improve blood circulation. It's also great for digestion and adds a spicy, invigorating taste. Peel and slice a thumb-sized piece of ginger and add it to the mix. Now it's time to blend everything together. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. You'll be left with a vibrant, nutrient-packed green juice. If you prefer a thinner juice, you can add a splash of water. Adjust the consistency to your liking. Pour it into your favorite glass. And voila! You've got yourself a tasty, heart-healthy green juice. This drink is perfect for any time of the day. Remember to drink this juice regularly to see the best results. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the health benefits. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Juicy Bonjour. Your support helps us bring more healthy and delicious recipes to you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to your health.